Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel TechVerse. Today, we're diving into the world of Apple's latest budget powerhouse, the iPhone 16e. This sleek device packs a punch with its A18 Chip and AI capabilities, all for just $599. The iPhone 16e boasts a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, providing a stunning visual experience. Under the hood, it's powered by the lightning-fast A18 Bionic chip, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Apple's latest AI technology, Dynamic Island, seamlessly integrates with the iPhone 16e's display, making it a standout feature. The iPhone 16e also offers a 1.2MP dual camera system, featuring a wide and ultra-wide lens. This allows you to capture stunning photos and videos, whether you're exploring new places or just capturing everyday moments. Overall, the iPhone 16e is an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly iPhone with top-notch performance and features. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates. Cheers, stay with TechVerse today.